Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Inyoma. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing and for supporting my channel. I make product and lifestyle reviews on this channel, and I also do hair videos. This is going to be one of my hair videos. It's going to go in my Locs playlist, and you can check it out here or here. I don't know. It's been a while since I did a video, and that's because I've been traveling and I really haven't had enough time to commit to editing videos and uploading it. But in this video, my sister interlocked my hair, and that was the first time I'd ever done it. And she has micro locks that she did herself, started herself, and has maintained herself. So she was interlocking a friend's hair, and I watched her do it, and I was like, wow, it gets right to the root and there's no product needed. It just holds it. And I've heard that when you interlock, you can go swimming immediately and wet your hair and not have the roots unravel. So I wanted to give it a try. I hadn't really followed any people that had locks that interlocked their hair, so I wasn't sure if it was going to make the thickness of the hair that is interlocked different from the hair that was palm rolled. But I was willing to give it a try. I've had locks for almost a decade now. Crazy. But I was like, yeah, let's try something different. Ever since she interlocked my hair, I have washed it once, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that. Sorry about the noise, guys. There were people in my house. But you can see that even after interlocking, the roots, the bud is still right there. This is after a wash, right? Is that dandruff? Sorry, y'all. Yep, that's dandruff. My bad. You can see that the bud is still right there, right where it was interlocked. And that's after washing the hair. And just a quick disclaimer, I'm not one of those locked people who makes sure that her roots are gelled and that her hair is always like parted perfectly. It's just not my ministry. I don't care. I just like locks because it's easy to maintain and it keeps my hair healthy for the most part. So I don't really mess with my roots. I just made sure that where it was interlocked was not too tight but not too loose. So this one, the bud starts right there. Right there. Yeah. And I'm just so impressed with the fact that it has held with washing and that the roots are still in good condition. So I'll show you the video of how she did it, and I also learned how to do it myself. And I will link in the description tools that you would use to interlock your hair. I'm also going to link in the description to the I'm also going to link in descriptions to goodness. I'm also going to link in the description tools that you would use to fix any thinning locks, because that's what I've been focusing on for a few months now, is just fixing any locks that were thinning in the middle or like close to the ends. But yeah, hopefully you like this video. Let me know if it helps you. Let me know if you have interlocked your locks for the majority of your lock journey, and if you prefer that to palm rolling or any issues that you've had with interlocking in the past. But I'm just excited to have found a new way to do my hair that will keep it locked for much longer, it seems, than, you know, just regular palm rolling. I'm not saying I'm never going to do palm rolling. I'm just saying that this is pretty cool, and I'm glad that I was able to learn how to do it for my big sis. So shout out to my big sis for teaching me. done. Praise the Lord. Well, now I know how to do it. What's that? Well, kind of. Is the knotting.
It gets easier.
Merci, merci. Très merci. No, I think I know what I was doing wrong with the knots. I was going like I was actually making a knot. So I just have to.
You have to. It's very easy to, especially since your hair is long. It's very easy to make a knot because you sometimes don't know that your finger is going inside of it, inside of the loop. So.
And then your finger is right there beyond. Crazy. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to my channel and supporting it. And thank you to everybody who has subscribed. My next video is going to be a video about my journey to Costa Rica. I went as a solo female traveler, and I have some tips for people that are going there, including what to wear, what to pack, and what car to rent, for real. So please check it out, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video.